In this video lecture, I will talk about the shape of bacteria. So today, the topic is, you can see, the shape of bacteria. It is the most frequently asked question from this topic. So the topic name is the shape of bacteria. Shape of bacteria. Okay. Now the topic name is the shape of bacteria. Now shape of bacteria they have classified into the different way. So now I'm going to draw shape of bacteria. I'm going to draw the flow chart. In the flow chart it will be clear. So how many types of the shape of bacteria generally found. Okay. So now you can see different shape. Different shape means first one is the spherical shape coccus. So here you can see. So number one, number 2, and 3, 4, 5, and one more. That is the 6. Okay. So in this way they have the different shape. Okay. You can see they have the different shape of the bacteria. Okay. So look it. Again here I'm going to draw. Yes. In this flow chart, so shape of bacteria, number 1 is the coccus. So I'm talking about the coccus. CO coccus, that is the spherical shape of bacteria. Coccus means spherical shape. Second is the bacillus shape of bacteria, rod shape. And third is the spiral shape of bacteria. And the next one is the spirochetes. And then comma shape bacteria. And last one is the pleomorphic. Pleomorphic means they have not fixed the shape. So pleomorphic bacteria, they don't have the fixed. Now in coccus, you can say this coccus again classified into the four different types. 4 to 5 different types. Number 1, that is monococcus. Second is the diplococcus, and third is the streptococcus. Fourth one is the staphylococcus, and one more also, that is the last one, which is known as the Sarcini, that is Sarcini, tube-like structure. Okay. So this is the coccus. If you see, they have classified into the monococcus, diplococcus, streptococcus, staphylococcus, and Sarcini. Similarly, this bacillus also have classified into the same way: monobacilli. Second is the diplobacilli. Third is the streptobacilli, and one more. Fourth is the staphylobacilli. Okay. So you can say they have the monobacilli, diplobacilli, streptobacilli, and staphylobacilli. Spiral shape. This is the shape of bacteria, spirochetes, and comma shape, and pleomorphic. Now this is the shape. Now we are going to explain one by one. Coccus means, you can say simply, if we are talking about the coccus means spherical shape bacteria. Coccus represents the bacteria which have the spherical shape. Second one is the bacillus shape bacteria. Bacillus means this is looking like the rod shape. It is looking like the rod shape. So this is called the rod shape bacteria. Bacillus means rod shape bacteria. Next is the spiral. Spiral means this is the spiral bacteria. We'll check the shape of this bacteria. You can say it will be like that. Spiral shape of bacteria. Spiral shape. Okay. And there is the spirochetes. Spirochetes, it is also similar to the spiral shape, but length of the spirochetes, it will be too much. Okay. If you see the spirochetes length, it will be the too much. So spirochetes also, it is the spiral shape bacteria, but the length is going to vary from the spiral. Okay. Another is the comma shape bacteria. Comma shape bacteria means it is looking like that. The comma shape bacteria, it is looking like that. And pleomorphic means they don't have the fixed shape, like you have studied the mycoplasma, but it is the separate, because by every bacteria they have the cell wall, and mycoplasma is the exception where no cell wall is found. In this way, pleomorphic means they don't have the fixed shape. So this is the overall shape of the bacteria. Now we are going to discuss again about the example and their sub means you can say coccus. Coccus again classified into the mono, diplo, strepto, staphylococcus. Means we are going to talk about the again what I have given classified mono, diplo. This will be discussed. So now you can